Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting the exact Oakley replacement lens and a soft workspace. This avoids wasted effort and scratches. Once you have the lens, clean hands, and a microfiber cloth, then lay the frame face down on a towel. Use a soft pry tool while you gently flex the frame away from the lens at the temple hinge. This initial separation releases the lens tabs. Move slowly. Rapid force risks breaking tabs, so you can safely free the peeling lens and prepare the frame for the new one. With the old lens removed, position the new OEM lens by aligning the nose bridge tab first. This gives you proper centering. Once centered, insert one temple side tab into its slot and hold it steady. Then, using even pressure, press the opposite temple tab into place until you feel a firm seating or click. Make sure the lens edges sit flush in the frame channel. If a gap appears, back out, realign, and seat again. Proper alignment prevents stress points that cause future peeling or cracking. Finish by wiping both sides with a microfiber cloth and inspecting the lens-to-frame junction for gaps or trapped debris. A clean seal is essential for longevity. Put the sunglasses on to verify optical alignment and comfort, and look for any edge distortion. If everything sits flush, you're done. If the lens resists seating, run the frame under warm water briefly to soften the material, then attempt seating again. This controlled flex often solves tight fit issues without damaging the frame.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.